Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a really special walkthrough on building a streamlined social media repurposing workflow that actually works. Instead of juggling 5 different apps and trying to connect them like a clumsy robot mechanic, I want to show you how to use Vizard as your central co-pilot. We are going to explore 2 powerful pipelines, a fully automated system that handles everything, and a review-first pipeline for when you need that extra human touch. Stick with me through this entire video because I'll be doing a live demo and breaking down exactly how to build this from scratch step by step. Let's start with a quick demo so you can see what I mean by an intelligent repurposing engine. Imagine finding a great YouTube video, dropping the link into your tracking sheet, and letting Vizard instantly identify the best moments for social media. Within seconds, it pulls short, vertical clips, generates punchy captions, creates thumbnails, and builds out a full scheduling plan for you. While that workflow runs in the background, watch how I refresh my social media profiles that haven't been active for months. Just like that, my LinkedIn is updated with a summary post, Instagram shows a beautiful new carousel, and Twitter is firing off a thread. That is the kind of consistent, high-impact output we want, achieved with remarkably low effort. The high-level pattern is simple. You cue the video, let the system transcribe and analyze, auto-extract clips, and then either post or send it for review. The beauty of Vizard is that it combines these steps, which are usually separated into several different tools, into one seamless experience. First, create a simple spreadsheet to act as your video queue. A single column with your YouTube links is all you really need. You could use tools like make.com to try and bridge the gap, but that gets clunky, fragile, and creates unnecessary monthly fees. Vizard reduces that friction by handling the heavy lifting natively, including transcriptions and intelligent shot selection. Step 1 is all about transcription and highlight detection, which is where the AI works its magic to find your best moments. When you upload a long video, Vizard automatically identifies emotional peaks, concise statements, and even controversial takes for you. You don't need to copy and paste text anywhere because the AI handles all the timestamps and highlights right there in the dashboard. Step 2 is where we turn those long-form videos into viral vertical clips for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The model picks natural cut points and creates options for you, allowing you to choose between a 15-second punchline or a 30-second explanation. If you want full control, you can always open the editor to trim the selection or adjust the subtitles yourself. In fully automated mode, you skip that entirely by setting a posting cadence, and Vizard will schedule the best clip at the best time for you. Step 3 covers captions, carousels, and the cross-platform copy that keeps your social media channels engaging. Vizard doesn't just cut your video. It summarizes the transcript into concise points to create perfect carousel templates for Instagram. You can provide a style prompt, like casual founder voice, and the system will output platform-specific captions for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Now, let's talk about those 2 workflows, the fully automated version and the review-first approach. The fully automated route is ideal if you want a steady stream of evergreen content and you trust the platform's default selections. The review-first mode is what I recommend for brand accounts where you want final human judgment before anything goes live. In this workflow, Vizard pushes everything into a queue where you can easily edit captions or swap images before flipping the status to approved. This split approach is absolutely crucial if you are working with teams because it streamlines communication between creators and managers. One major tip: prompts matter, so if the first caption draft feels a bit bland, just tweak your instructions until you get that perfect tone. Also, be mindful of platform throttles. Try to stagger your scheduling or vary your creative slightly to avoid triggering spam filters. When designing carousels, remember that they convert best when each slide presents one single digestible idea. In terms of costs, a multi-tool approach might seem flexible, but paying for separate transcription, scheduling, and design services adds up fast. Vizard centralizes these steps, reducing the number of moving parts and lowering your overall monthly expenses. The reality is that AI token costs for captions are usually minimal, making this a much more efficient use of your budget than juggling 5 subscriptions. Sometimes a clip or caption might not land perfectly, and that is completely fine. Just treat the system as a co-pilot that needs your oversight. My closing thought is that the best AI workflows are those that remove busy work while keeping humans in the loop for the truly creative decisions. If you want to scale your content repurposing efforts, this combination of auto-editing and a review queue is the most efficient path I have found. Let me know in the comments if you want my spreadsheet template or a walkthrough on the carousel design tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.